Hi all. In today's class of design and analysis of algorithm, we're going to see about a traveling salesman problem. Traveling salesman problem. The problem statement it is that a traveler needs to visit all the cities from a list of cities where the distance between all the cities are known and each cities should be visited just once. What is the shortest possible route that each visit exactly once and return to the original city? Definition. A traveling salesman problem it is that a traveler has to start traveling from the origin city, that is from the source node, and you have to travel all the nodes at least once and reach the destination. The destination over here it is a source node. So while traveling these nodes, we have to find the shortest distance that has been traveled, and that shortest distance will be the optimal solution for the problem. For example, if we have n number of vertices in a graph, there will be n minus 1 factorial number of possibilities to find the optimal solution. In those possibilities, we have to find the smallest distance that has been traveled. That will be the optimal solution for the problem. The analysis of traveling salesman problem, there are at most 2 to the power n into n subproblems, and each one takes a linear time to solve. Therefore, the total running time is O of 2 to the power n into n square. Let us see the problem with a small example. This is an unidirectional weighted graph where there are four cities, that is A, B, C, A, D, C and D, and all those cities have traveled a distance that is mentioned over here. In these travels, we will take A as a source node, and the traveler starts to travel from A. While he travel from A, he have to visit all the nodes. That is, he have to visit all the nodes at least once. So he have to travel to B, C, D, and then he have to come back to A. While traveling, we have to find the smallest distance between all those nodes, and that smallest distance will be the optimal solution. Here, I'll consider A as a starting node. So while starting from my starting node, I will travel to all the nodes and I'll make some possible paths. So here, this is an example that has been given over here. So while travel from A, the traveler will start from A and visit B, and he will visit D, C, and then finally reaches A. This is one solution. So for this solution, we have to identify the weight. The weight is that the distance between A to B it is 2, the distance between B to D it is 3, the distance between D to C it is 1, and the distance between C to A it is 5. So we have to sum up all these distances, that is 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 11. So likewise, we have to travel for all the different nodes. So I'll get A to C, C to D, D to B, B to A, where its weight is 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 11. Another path is that A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Its weight is that 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 7 equal to 18. Another possibility it is that A to C, C to B, B to D, D to A, where its weight is 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7 equal to 23. So likewise, I have to travel all the nodes. So some of the possible paths that has been mentioned over here. So these are the several paths where a traveler can start from the starting node A, visits all the node at least once, and he comes back to A as a destination node. So while traveling, we get some set of problems, some set of solutions like this, and in these solutions, the second and the third solution, that is A to B, B to D, D to C, and C to A, which has a weight of 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 equal to 11. Another path is A to C, C to D, D to B, and B to A, which has a solution of 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 11. These are two considered as an optimal solution, since because of we find optimal many solutions over here. In these many solutions, these 11 has the smallest weight, and we find these, and we finally conclude that these two are the optimal solution. And this is all about a traveling salesman problem. Thank you. We'll see about the next one in the next class.